Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're at Ottawa On-Road Racing, mid-February 2024. We're going to go in F1. And wow, I've had a great day with the F1 today. I am qualified second overall in the A. So we're going to go out with the F1. I haven't really made any changes to it, just been racing it. I did add a cooling fan, so I now actually have actual proper cooling. The last video that I made, I went to the Montech wings, but I haven't made any changes to that since. I've just been racing it. I really like this car. I don't have to fuss with it too much. I just run it. We're going to see if we can hold on to that podium finish in F1A. Alright, here we go. F1 AMAIN. Starting in P2, see if we can hold on to a podium finish in AMAIN and F1.
All right.
Up next, race number 13, F1, AMAIN. Race order is Mark, John K, Jill, Lauren, Prosser,
Practice laps.
Prosser, Mark, Jill, Lauren, John K.
Alright, we have everybody checked in already. That was fast. Alright, marshals. Alright, so marshals ready, drivers ready. Oh.
There you go. We're just teasing.
Everybody on the toe.
Just gotta shake it like a baby.
Alright. Oh no!
Maybe Max in go for a bit of a run.
Come on, guys!
Just don't stop.
Brutal.
Alright, right away we have Mark up front, followed by Jill, Stephen, Lauren, and John. Well, Mark putting in a fast lap in the 8.7 in F1. 8.3
Look at the leaders about to
in F1.
lap me. The marshals.
Jill with a 9.4. We have Stephen with a 10.2. Lauren with a 10.2 as well. John with a 9.3.
I thought I almost overcooked it too much there.
1 minute 5 seconds. The top drivers are Mark in first place with a 33 lap 5.0 flat pace, followed by Jill in second place with a 30 lap 5.05.9 pace, followed by Prosser in third place with a 27 lap 5.06.5 pace, followed by John K in fourth place with a 25 lap 5.04 flat pace, followed by Lauren in fifth place with a 25 lap 5.04.8 pace.
Alright, so we still have Mark up front, followed by Jill, Stephen, and John, but we have a couple battles going on. Current closest battle right now is between third and fourth place Stephen and John, which is a 1.3 second gap. Currently Mark and Jill, your first and second place are only separated by about 6 seconds, and Jill over to Stephen is about 7 seconds. Lauren's also not too far behind John with about a 6 second gap as well.
After 2 minutes 11 seconds, the top drivers are Mark in first place with a 32 lap 5.04.5 pace, followed by Jill in second place with a 31 lap 5.07 flat pace, followed by John K in third place with a 29 lap 5.06 flat pace, followed by Prosser in fourth place with a 29 lap 5.08.6 pace, followed by Lauren in fifth place with a 27 lap 5.07.4 pace.
Alright, track's clear. Alright, we still have Mark up front, followed by Jill, John, Stephen, and Lauren. Currently Mark with an 8.30 fastest lap. Jill with a 9.2, John with a 9 flat, Stephen with a 9.6, and Lauren with a 10.1.
2 minutes left. 33 minutes 16 seconds. The top drivers are Mark in first place with a 33 lap 505.4 pace, followed by Jill in second place with a 31 lap 506.6 pace, followed by John K in third place with a 30 lap 503.4 pace, followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 29 lap 507.5 pace, followed by Lauren in fifth place with a 27 lap 508.5 pace.
Ooh, lap time's improving. Mark's still with that 8.3, but Jill now down to a 9.1 fastest lap. We have John with a 9 flat, Steven with a 9.6.
Whoa!
1 minute left. .45 seconds left. After 4 minutes 22 seconds, the top drivers are Mark in first place with a 33 lap 506.4 pace, followed by Jill in second place with a 31 lap 505.6 pace, followed by John K in third place with a 31 lap 509.3 pace, followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 29 lap 504.3 pace, followed by Lauren in fifth place with a 27 lap 502.2 pace. Crosser done. Jill done. Mark done.
All right. I was never able to make up that big crash at the start to get back my second position, but held on to third. Got a podium finish. All right, good racing, guys. That was F1 AMAIN. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new and here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.